What's up, everybody? In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura RDX key fob. This key fob was used between 2016 and 2020 and uses one CR2032 battery. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. And it's really cheap. For a couple bucks, it'll come right to your door, and you can do the whole process yourself at home. First step is just to locate this lever on the front of the key fob, hold it down, and pull out your internal key. You can set that to the side. And now we're going to use this metal key ring to open this up. We're going to go to the back of the key fob, and right in between that metal ring and the lip on the back side, that's where we want to put our flathead screwdriver, right in that little space here. So once you push it down to the bottom and you kind of feel that it's secure in there, you're going to firmly but gently twist. Just until you feel a little pop. You're just going to twist. And now we've created a little separation there. Now I want you to come down that side twisting. We don't want to damage anything. We want to keep your key fob looking nice. So just come down gently, twist, and then you'll feel it pop apart like that. Set that to the side. Now here's our battery. We're just going to come in. You can see this is the bottom of the key fob. Going to come in on the bottom of the battery. Again, just being gentle. Try to get your flathead under the battery, and then you're just going to pry it out like that. And you can see once it comes out, you can just finish it. You can just finish it from there with your fingers. Now take a new 2032 battery. Positive side with the battery information goes face up, just like this. You can slide it in just like that, and then click that into place, and it'll be secure. It'll sit flush. And now we can just return this into place, clicking it, making sure that edge is all nice. Put your key back in, and you're done. Your light should come on, meaning you did everything right, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for more information or a full guide on this key fob or any Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.